Not that Alex guy again. Ugh. The best of the best electronics at Alex Shop only. Alex Shop is #1 in the market. Oh, come on. I'm so tired of that guy bragging. Turn off already. Uh-oh, I may have jumped a little too hard. Sue! That's better.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
You've got to be more careful with electronics.
Alex thinks he's the best. Well, I'll prove him wrong. Not so fast. Ah!
Sammy, what's wrong with you today?
Oops, I'm so sorry. Listen to me, Sue. Right now, you and I are opening Sammy's store. The best tech store in the world. Way better than Alex's. Shiver me chatters, what a mess. Okay, consider that our grand opening ceremony.
All right, almost there. Almost perfect. Nice!
Hey, watch it, designer. Oh, you did great. Ah! What kind of day is this?
So here we have a phone, a charger, its package, then a tablet. What else do we need? Sammy?
Sammy is gone. I am Sheet the paper. Ah! Haha, gotcha, Sue. Okay, I'll go find the props.
Good idea. You do that, and I will deal with this.
Huh? Pillow! It's just perfect. Now I'll quickly get what I need. Don't worry, little pillow. This'll be quick. Phew! One punch and the pillow just exploded on its own. Here we go. Cotton delivery, premium quality.
Hold your horses, Sammy. I'm not done here yet.
Is it the right time now?
Yep. Thanks. Perfect. It's cute and looks just like a real phone. Now let's pack it before...
Alex Shop is #1! No one else will provide you with better gadgets. Look at those numbers. Alex again with 100,000 sales, and we haven't even opened yet. Sue, we have to move faster.
Ah, who touched my pillow? How should I sleep now?
Oopsie! What a mystery. Who could have done that? Okay, it was me. I didn't know it was your pillow. I'm sorry.
Come here. Okay, this is not bad actually. Comfy even.
Ugh, I should have used my own pillow.
Huh, it's Alex Shop commercial again. Nice.
Gadgets by Alex Shop rule the world. We sell tons of phones, tablets, and phone cases a minute. Oh, you just wait, Alex. Sammy's store will be even more popular and successful.
Why don't we work towards that together, Sammy? Look, I'm almost done with this screen already. Nice and smooth. Isn't it just beautiful?
Wow, you are so good at that, Susie.
You bet! I'm an experienced crafter after all.
The slime foam box is ready too. You know, our store needs something cooler than Alex Shop, and I have an idea.
Okay, just give a second to pack all this. Now, go ahead, I'm listening.
All right, Sue, get this. We'll give away a sweet treat with every purchase.
Maybe you'd better help me with cutting, huh?
Oh, sure, but only after I'm done with this bad guy over here. No, seriously, we should start with ice cream. Let's give it away along with phone cases.
Come on, Sammy. What will we give away if you eat it all? I think you should revise your marketing strategy.
You're right. Besides, ice cream melts fast.
It's not quite what I meant.
How about cereal? We can pour the milk right into the boxes for them. Nah, that won't work either. I love cereal too much to give it away.
Seriously? Where do you get all those ideas, really? Haha! And our phone case is ready too.
Awesome! At this rate, soon we'll be jam-packed with goods by Slime Sam. Stay tuned, people. You are about to witness the creation of even cooler paper gadgets.
I've got a surprise for Sue. I wanted to help you with crafts. Look what I've made.
Whoa, this is so cool. Do you have any surprises for me too?
Don't even get me started, or I'll turn you into a pillow again.
Wow, thank you, Teddy Bear. This slime book is lit. Sammy, come look at it. Hey, do you hear me?
Sue? Oh no! How did I get in here?
How did you end up in there?
Please, do something! Don't leave me here all alone! Huh? Did it work? Whew! Let's better hurry and pack it away until it gets me again.
But you have to check it to make sure everything works right before we pack it.
No problems. Let's see. Works perfectly. Hold on. Is Alex selling watches now? Yo, yo, yo! Beware and behold our new product, Alex Watch. It is cool. It is very... Anyway, come see, make a pic, and be as awesome in this watch as you can be. Did you hear that, Sue? He's expanding. He is selling watches now.
We are not doing nothing either, Sammy. Look, the slime book can be boxed now. I made this cool packaging.
I just ordered something for the store. It'll arrive any minute. You pack and I'll meet the delivery.
All right. What did you order? Sammy? I guess we'll find out soon.
So, phone, check. Laptop, also check. Where's the tablet?
Sammy, but you never asked me to make a tablet.
Well, I'm asking right now!
Don't worry, I'll get it done. Hey, didn't you order something earlier for our craft? Oh, is this the delivery? Right about time.
Boo!
Ah, Sammy! Stop pranking me like that! Oh.
Sam 2, Sue 0. Good luck catching me. You're too busy with the craft.
Oh, I'll find a way. Friends, we'll prank him back. But first, let's finish the tablet.
Don't forget to check if it works right, Susie.
You got it, Sammy. Looks like everything's fine.
Gadgets by Slime Sam are gonna amaze everyone. We only need to craft one more thing, and we'll be ready to open our store.
All right. Care to tell me what is that one thing?
Another case. But we need a design that our customers will recognize right away.
Well, that actually sounds interesting.
Interesting? Sue, it's called branding. All great founders put their face on the brand. So come on, paint me!
All right, hold still. Well, Sammy, I did my best.
Is that me? I look a little round, but okay. It adds character. Now go ahead and pack it. Here, I've got the box.
Sammy, it looks fantastic. So now we have a slime pad too.
Yay! We are all set!
Which means only one thing. We're ready to open!
Hooray! It's a celebration!
Hey, Sammy, give me a hand.
Sure! But you should cut the ribbon. You deserved it.
Really? Why, thank you. I've never done this before.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are officially open! I waited all day for this. Feels like my whole life. Now, Alex, watch your back. First order! Tell them I'm running!
Hey, don't forget the order! Wow, he's really fast.
Sammy phone is here, and I'm the fastest delivery guy in town.
Wow, thank you. Let's see what's inside.
It's the best phone ever! The screen, the body, everything is handmade with love and a little cotton.
Really? Oh, wow! It's amazing! Here's my favorite part. Oh, a charger too? Great. I need to charge my new phone right away. And what is this? So sweet. Oh, it's the instructions. Well, it really is the best phone ever.
And a phone case designed by me personally. Limited edition. See? That's me on it.
How interesting. Aw, it's perfect. Wow, it's so nice to the touch and looks great. All right, let's see how it works. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff.
Why don't you check out your favorite app? There is a surprise!
For real? Awesome! Hey, it's your channel. Looks cool. I'm gonna subscribe right away. Done!
Good job! Now, here's a surprise for our most loyal customers. Take it!
Holy cannoli! I couldn't even imagine I'd gotten so many with my first order. Oh wow, so cute!
You will write down your best ideas with that pencil. And guess what?
There's a notebook too? Oh my, you are the best. Thank you so much. From now on, I'll be your most loyal customer. Promise.
We work smoothly, fast, and beautifully. Sammy Store. We make things with heart.
Phew! That
That went great. Oh, hello? No problem. Slime book is on its way. Yes, your gadgets will be safely packed. So many orders at the same time. Sue, I didn't expect this. Okay, I'm gonna go deliver the slime book, and you show off our tablet.
All right, let's have a look. Here's the packaging, nice and neat. And inside, there's a 10th generation slime pad. Ooh, I love taking off the screen cover from new gadgets. There! Oh, it looks so cute, doesn't it? Okay, let's turn it on. Wow, so colorful. And the apps open rather fast. That's great. I simply love it. And hey, I'd better put on this case to protect my new device. I want it to serve me for a long time. By the way, it comes with a charger. Cute, isn't it? And the instructions.
Slime book delivered, cat coins received. Are we close to beating Alex yet?
Guess so. Oh, and here's for me for this slime pad.
No, come on. For you, it's free of charge. Oh, hi there.
Hey guys, we heard about Sammy's store. We all want your products now.
Yay! This is exactly what I dreamed of when I jumped on that remote. All right, here's your Sammy phone.
Oh, wow.
And you needed a phone case, right?
Ah, it even smells luxurious.
We're here. Don't forget about us, Sammy.
Sammy, we're out of stock. What should we do?
We should get it together and start making more products. Hurry up, Susie. I came to witness Tiny Sammy's store fail. Hey, wait a second. Empty shelves, crowd of customers? It means they're sold out. Alex, you came just in time to see my empty shelves. Wait, it's a case, and it's not sold yet. Give it to me. Alex Shop still wins. Sorry to disappoint you, but that case is already taken. I guess that means that Sammy's store is the best. This is impossible. You made gadgets out of cotton and paper. How can you be better than me?
Yay! Sammy, we did it! We made our customers happy and beat Alex.
Guys, if someone tells you that you can't do something, prove them wrong. We did, and you can too. Now, go watch our other adventures. See you soon.
Hey, Sammy, did you forget about us? We need our phones. Come on.
Oh no, Sue, help! I'm too popular! Ah! Mr. Pandas, make more invitations!
That plane is from the Fragile Kingdom. Flippers off! Oh!
It's a cup, not a cap. All these penguins, it's too much.
They're not so bad. These birds have got to go.
Who knew penguins like fairy tales this much? Huh? This one's hungry.
Then let's feed them. What do penguins eat?
Fish? Fish, of course. We have tons of cans of tuna fish in the kitchen.
Not exactly.
Don't tell me you've eaten them all.
What? No, of course not. I left one.
Wait, I know a place that's full of fish. Come and get it.
What about our fairy tales?
It looks like they're moving outside. We'll show them what happens when you don't invite us. Pandas! More invitations!
Why do I have to be the one near the water?
Because you ate all the tuna fish. Well, that's the last one. Now we can finally read Old King Sneezy Pants in peace. I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Oh no, why have we become penguin paradise?
Is this some kind of a joke?
Back off, Jabbermouth. I need my space.
It's nice to have surprise guests, but this surprise is too big.
Here comes another ship.
Oh, we're doomed!
Let's just sneak back inside the castle and maybe they'll go away.
If we can get there. Oh, no, stop it! Stop that right now. Stop.
They're copying you. Keep going.
Oh, 1, 2 on the right, 1, 2 on the left, 1, 2 this way, yes. Okay, 1, 2.
Who invited all these penguins?
This invitation looks perfectly official to me. It's even signed. With Kitty Cat's paw print? You fibbing furball. It was you.
I'm telling you, I didn't do anything.
Look! Sir Kitty Cat's paw is much smaller than the print on the invitation. I know only one animal with such a big paw.
The problem pandas. I'll bet the twin princesses are behind this.
Let's find out. Elizabeth, can you keep our guests busy while we visit the twins?
Yogi Corgi at your service. All right, everyone. Deep breaths.
Oh, I can't see anything. They've covered up the windows. Oh, to be a fly on the wall and see what those pandas are up to.
Or to be a panda in the room. How about that? Oh, Zsa-Zsa! At your service. Oh, what do you know? How'd I get here? I just called you, Zsa-Zsa. Do you think you could make us some panda costumes? Pandas? Oh, piece of cake. No, well, almost.
Change of shift. Oh, thank goodness.
Ha! No more pandas, no more invites. Problem solved.
Now we just have to figure out what to do with all the penguins we already have. I wonder how the twins would like it if they suddenly had some surprise visitors.
I know a bunch of penguins from the Smelly Kingdom who haven't been invited anywhere yet.
Elizabeth!
Oh, there you are. Pardon me for using your carriage like this, Your Highness. I just needed a way to keep their attention.
Elizabeth, you're a genius. That's just what we need to do. Get the fairy tale book, Truman. Let's read.
Once upon a time, in the land of Magicy, there lived an old king named Sneezy Pants. He got this name because every time he sneezed, his pants fell down.
Out of the way! Can't you see I'm trying to spy? Who invited you anyway, you smelly things?
An invitation for Princess Billy's fairy tale tea party. I brought it as quickly as I could.
Oh! Huh? Not more penguins!
As the good princess handed King Sneezy Pants a belt, he said, Magicy is so lucky to have a princess like you. And the princess replied,
I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. You know what? Why don't we plug the thumbster into the TV so we can all play together? That way, everyone can have fun. Okay. It'll be fun to be you.
Oh, yeah? We'll see about that.